Hey my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. My name is Yola Aljagbir and I'm ex-endo girl and on the mission to help you to get endo free. And today we are going to talk about the breakfast and the mistakes that endo girl commit without even knowing it. So if you're interested, please keep on watching because it's short, sweet and to the point. So why is breakfast important and what are the consequences for the endo girls for skipping the breakfast? First of all, it's very important because it sets you up with the energy for whole day. What that means, if you skip the breakfast, your energy level will go down and you will have to rescue yourself with a coffee, which is not good because the coffee in the higher consumption is destroying your gut and your good bacteria, which makes digesting good food more difficult, and we don't want that. It also stabilizes your sugar levels. So if you have a very good dense breakfast in the morning, it will prevent you from craving things you would normally not eat, such as sweets in the middle of the day. So what are the common mistakes that endo girl make? How to avoid them? Number one, too much processed sugar. Artificial sugar is literally a killer and it's increased the inflammation and make you feel worse. So if you are eating anything that has too much sugar, such as the breakfast cereal or even protein shakes that are full of sweeteners, you have to watch on this one. Another killer is the dairy. Dairy also increases the inflammation. And the third, the most common mistake is avoiding all the fiber and avoiding the protein. The spoiler alert, because I prepared something for you that will give you breakfast ideas for all 7 days. They are very, very easy to prepare. You can literally put one day into batching your breakfast and spend 30 minutes. They are also budget friendly. And the endo breakfast resource is absolutely free for every single one of you who would want that. So how does the endo diet breakfast meal plan looks like? It looks very, very yummy. So basically you've got all the ingredients and all the instructions and preparation, and I just make sure it's the budget friendly meal plan, so it won't cost you a fortune. It still will keep you on the track on anti-inflammatory diet, and it's very easy to make. Not even one recipe takes like 20 minutes, so it's very, very good to have. So if you want it, please just drop me a DM and it's gonna be yours for free.